I came to Sanford Brown because I wanted something more rewarding as far as professional growth. My brother's a doctor and he really encouraged me to come to Sanford Brown.
Sanford Brown had a huge hand in what I am today. They started me off with the foundation and the basics of what I needed to put me forward into the field that I'm in today.
I was never a person with a lot of self-confidence. And going into Sanford Brown and having the teachers push me and really trust in me and have that confidence in me meant a lot. They made me better and I owe it to give back.
In Tampa, Sanford Brown Institute offers specialized training in ultrasound technology. Sanford Brown Institute Tampa offers two different areas of study: cardiovascular technology and diagnostic medical sonography. Cardiovascular technology involves helping physicians detect heart and blood vessel ailments and diseases. At Sanford Brown Institute, you can learn these cardiovascular technology skills from the professional teaching staff. The coursework ranges from scheduling tests and reviewing patients' files to performing echocardiographic examinations under the direction of a physician and cardiologist. In Sanford Brown's cardiovascular technology program, you can learn about sonography, how to use ultrasound technology to detect abnormalities in the heart. A Sanford Brown representative will be glad to explain in detail exactly what the cardiovascular technology program encompasses. Another offering in the field of ultrasound at Sanford Brown Institute Tampa is a specialized associate degree program in diagnostic medical sonography. In this program, you have the opportunity to learn about topics such as pathophysiology, anatomy and physiology of scanned organs, and other related topics. Sanford Brown's diagnostic medical sonography program is designed to teach students about the sonographic patterns of organs. An off-campus integrated clinical component is required and augments an on-campus laboratory course that focuses on imaging. The off-campus clinical is completed under the supervision of a medical professional. Sanford Brown's diagnostic medical sonography program also includes training to track the health and growth of unborn babies. There's a lot to learn about the healthcare training options in Tampa that Sanford Brown Institute has to offer. So we put together a tour that will introduce you to our student-focused campus facilities and industry-current equipment. You'll also learn more about our approach to applied learning that includes hands-on instruction in laboratory settings and clinical externships for many programs. This focused format is designed to enable you to prepare for new opportunities. Once you see how our supportive environment, committed faculty, and quality-focused programs, all geared to helping you succeed, you'll know you found the right school to pursue your future. Sanford Brown Tampa. Call now for your personal campus tour and life-changing information kit and DVD to see if training in the healthcare field is for you. There is no obligation. Call the number on your screen now. The need for trained healthcare professionals is at an all-time high and is expected to continue to grow. The American dream is to have a job you love. If you're searching for a new career, a career in the growing healthcare field might be just for you. Hi, I'm Mark Allen, the host of the Job Seekers Clinic radio show. The Job Seekers Clinic is all about helping people find their passion. Together in the next half hour, we're going to explore how training in the healthcare field can change your life, offering employment opportunities that you don't have now, and much more. Are you happy with your job? Are you happy with your life? Where do you see yourself going in the next 5 or 10 years? During this show, we're going to invite you to visit Sanford Brown. At Sanford Brown, you'll see how the change in you can happen, and you'll know exactly where you're going. Sanford Brown is known throughout the healthcare industry as an educator of professionals who have acquired real-world knowledge and practical skills to fill vital positions in this growing job industry. For over 140 years, Sanford Brown has been helping people like you develop the skills and gain the confidence you need to pursue the career you want. Let's take a look at the Sanford Brown Institute in Tampa, a school that educates and trains people just like you in a variety of healthcare fields. Let's see up close how this quality school can help you find the healthcare career path that's right for you. You'll see how you can train for a position as a medical assistant, pharmacy technician, dental assistant, or medical billing and coding professional, all helping patients live better lives. The healthcare industry calls for competent, qualified professionals to fill vital positions in a wide range of health-related fields. That's why so many students choose the Sanford Brown Institute in Tampa to acquire the knowledge, practical experience, and training to pursue career opportunities in many of today's exciting areas of the job market. Whether you're a current healthcare professional looking to take your career to the next level or a motivated individual focused on pursuing a new direction, we're here to offer you the short-term programs and hands-on training you need to pursue your goals. Discovering your calling in life is a great feeling. Making a difference in the lives of others can bring a lifetime of personal and professional satisfaction. At Sanford Brown Institute Tampa, we present Give Back Days, working with the local community. Sanford Brown Tampa instructors and 23 students participated in Moffitt Cancer Center's Kickoff to Good Health Fair. For the first time, Sanford Brown Institute students and faculty had the opportunity to participate in providing services to more than 800 of the 4,000 Moffitt employees. Sanford Brown is really a group of caring professionals that can help you pursue your goals. We know unemployment has been at an all-time high. News reports have shown that those continuing their education have a better chance of landing a job, no matter what the economic climate is. Experts agree that getting additional education and training is a way to give yourself an advantage over others. Sandra Hamilton is a career counselor with more than 25 years' experience helping thousands of people find work. We asked her thoughts about education and training.
The major or most important contributing factors to landing a job include a number of components, the most important of which would be training and education. Because without training and education, you won't meet or exceed the qualifications of most positions today. Without the extra training beyond high school or secondary training, you won't be competitive in today's economy. You need at least a year or two of some post-secondary beyond high school or GED in order to be competitive or to be considered for most positions today. Education and training will enhance your resume, enhance your opportunities to get an interview for a position. Training and education certainly affects us personally and professionally. Personally, it will enhance and improve our self-esteem. It will make us more intellectually alert, give us more confidence among our friends, our associates, our co-workers, and overall give us a sense of achievement because we have taken the extra measures of becoming trained and educated beyond public high school. Professionally, of course, training and education will enhance our opportunities for positions. It will make us more competitive, and it could be the contributing factor in landing a job.
Have you taken the time to invest in yourself? Here's how to arrange an on-campus visit and to talk with an admissions representative about taking the most important step of your life. Sanford Brown Institute Tampa offers a variety of challenging healthcare training programs that could be what you're looking for. A career as a medical assistant is expected to be among the fastest growing occupations over the next decade. Sanford Brown Institute Tampa can help you prepare to succeed in this vital field. The Pharmacy Technician program at Sanford Brown Institute provides students with the technical and practical training necessary for work as an entry-level assistant to a licensed pharmacist. Sanford Brown Institute Tampa also offers training in dental assisting and medical billing and coding. Why choose Sanford Brown Institute? For over 140 years, we've been helping people like you develop the skills and gain the confidence you need to pursue the career you want by providing flexible programs, day, evening, weekend, online, allowing you to take classes anywhere you have an internet connection. Financial aid is available for those who qualify. Access to externship sites for practical, real-life experience with real patients. classes that leverage industry current technology and equipment, instructors with relevant career-specific knowledge and industry experience to share. Innovative, hands-on learning approaches designed to prepare students for real-world professional situations. There's a lot to learn about the career training options in Tampa that Sanford Brown Institute has to offer. So we put together a tour that will introduce you to our student-focused campus facilities and industry current equipment. You'll also learn more about our approach to applied learning that includes hands-on instruction in laboratory settings and clinical externships for many programs. This focused format is designed to enable you to prepare for new career opportunities. Once you see our supportive environment, committed faculty, and career-focused programs all geared to helping you succeed, you'll know you found the right school to pursue your future. Sanford Brown Tampa. Call now for your personal campus tour and life-changing information kit and DVD to see if training in the healthcare field is for you. There is no obligation. Call the number on your screen now.
I had my son and I needed to find a way to support him, so I came to Sanford Brown. And as soon as I stepped in here, I felt like it was the right choice that I made. I graduated in May and landed a job 2 weeks later after my graduation. They were just very hands-on, and I appreciated everything that they ever did for me from the first day I stepped in here to the last day that I got my job.
Before I contacted Sanford Brown, I was a stay-at-home mom with 4 kids looking to pursue my long-time dream of being in the medical field. For me, Sanford Brown provided a very flexible schedule. Being a mother of 4, the flexible schedule really helped. Sanford Brown definitely changed my life. I love my job. To know that I'm actually coming in every day, helping people, I couldn't be doing a better thing.
Call the number on your screen now to make an appointment to visit Sanford Brown and find out which career path is right for you. You can choose from medical assisting, pharmacy technology, dental assisting, and medical billing and coding. Call the number on your screen to receive your life-changing information kit and DVD. Operators are standing by now to talk with you. Each of the Sanford Brown campuses offers a variety of healthcare programs for you to